Welcome back to Ipsen Tech Tutorials, where we provide you with many technology tutorials. Today, we will be combining PDFs together in Mac OS X. To start, we'll need to open up our PDF that we want to combine in Preview. So let's start. Okay, let's locate our PDF that we want to combine, which I've got 3 of them here that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Let's open up that PDF by right-clicking it, going to Open With, and Preview. Here inside our PDF, inside Preview, I've only got one today, but what you want to do is where you need to insert your new or combined PDF is click on one of those pages, and thereafter the new one will be added. So let's get started by going to Edit, Insert, and Page from File. Here in the pop-up that we have, you can see that I've got these other PDFs in here. To add a PDF, what you'll do is you'll select it and click Open. After you have done that, now you can see our new page has been added to the previous PDF that we had open. Now, to make sure that this is taken care of, what you'll do is you'll go to File, Export as PDF, change the name if you need to. Today I'm just going to do Page Combined. We're going to save it inside the PDF folder where the other PDFs are located. Now we'll click Save. And as you can see, we now have a new PDF, Page Combined, and that PDF, if we right click and go to Preview, is going to open up and show that we have the 2 new pages in there. Now, as I mentioned a little bit before, we can add a new page wherever we want by clicking on the page we want it to come after. To do so, you'll click on the page that you want it to come after. Again, go to Edit, Insert, Page from File, and now this time we're going to add page 3, but it's going to be added between page 1 and page 2. So you'll click on it, click Open, and as you can see, it is in between page 1 and 2. Again, we'll go to File, Export as PDF. We've got it located in a PDF folder. We're going to change the name again to Page Combined, but this time we're just going to do 2 so you can see the difference between them. Click Save, and now you can see the new one here. Let's go ahead and close this. You can see Page 2 Combined, Open with Preview. You can see the 3 pages all together. Our previous combined PDF, you can see that it's 2. Thanks again for joining me today as we learned how to combine PDFs together. Remember to smash that subscribe button and like this video for more tech tutorials. Thank you and have a great day and a better tomorrow.